Hey everybody, just trying to put a little bit of a lecture on the Age of Jackson up for us on YouTube since we had technical problems with the IP video not working today. Incidentally, Dan did get it fixed about 5 minutes after everyone left, so that goes to show that we have such great luck in that class. Anyway, what I'm doing is getting on our Blackboard page and pulling up the Age of Jackson Word document, the outline. And I thought I could do a little bit of it here for you on YouTube so we don't have to spend too much time with it on Tuesday when we do our haunted history. If you weren't in class or today or forgot from what I mentioned on Tuesday of this week, today is the 25th, by the way. It's Thursday, October 25th, 2018. We're going to have haunted history on Tuesday because Halloween is actually on Wednesday, so we're going to have to meet a day early. If you want to get 20 bonus points, you can dress up as a historical figure, an American historical figure from our time period. If you don't have to go and spend a lot of money or anything, you can just print up a picture or an image of whoever you're supposed to be and hold it up. But prepare a little speech, just, a couple minutes, just kind of giving us hints on who you're supposed to be, and we'll guess who you are. I'll do the same thing, so you'll have the same idea. Also, I'll have some candy and little treats for us, and we'll do some haunted history on Washington, D.C., and just in general. Just a fun day. But to make sure we get to the fun part, I want to make sure we get through some of this Age of Jackson. So if you would look at your handout, or not handout, I guess outline on Blackboard, you'll see, and I'll turn it so you can see part of it here. Think you can see it? All right. There's the outline. It's on our class page. So what we're going to talk about overall, the arching topic, is Andrew Jackson. The big essay question, if you choose to write about it, is, do you think that Andrew Jackson was the common man, or was he King Andrew? That's what historians like to debate all the time. That's their big question. Right? The idea is, Jackson is going to run, and as a Republican, as a Jeffersonian Democrat, right, the Democratic Republicans. But he really changes the face of the party. It becomes the Democratic Party you know today for what Jackson does. Right? And his big push is that he is the common man, that people should be very interested in what he has to say because he's looking for the everyday person. He's not looking for some type of an elitist, educated group of people running the country like the old Federalists were. He's there for the everyday common person. All right? So he's going to claim that he acts as the common man throughout his 2 terms of office. Now, his critics will say that he's more King Andrew I. He's not the common man. He's making decisions on his own. He's going forward for what he thinks is right and not really taking into consideration what other people think is correct for the country. So he's really King Andrew I. Either or, you can argue if you choose to write about this for your essay on the final exam. Well, hold on. I think somebody's knocking on my door. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Nobody wants to hear this lecture, apparently. They just wanted to come in and tell me something. Anyway. All right, so common man or King Andrew. Up to you to decide if that's what you're interested in writing on or not for one of your final exam essays. All right, so back to the outline here. Trying to, center it for you a little bit. Okay, so some things about Jackson.